Boeing's crisis isn't a safety issue, but a trust issue that started long before any plane took off. Over the past year, they've been dealing with repeated concerns, from in flight incidents to whistleblower reports to production issue. And every time something new comes out, people ask the same question: how does this keep happening? At first, they may seem like separate problems or communication gaps. But when the same kind of problem keeps coming up, it usually means that something deeper is going on. Something like this isn't a one time issue, it's a system where concerns keep on going unresolved. And when concerns like these build up, they turn into something the public can see. And that's when they convert from being an internal issue to being a real reputational problem. And this is where a lot of organizations fall short. Because focusing on your external messaging after the problem has escalated to this level has absolutely no value. And once people start to feel that the situation could have been avoided altogether, it becomes very hard to rebuild their trust. So at this point, communication alone just might not be enough. So when internal issues aren't dealt with, they have the potential to tarnish a company's reputation entirely. I'll be breaking down more real world situations and describing what actually shapes public opinion. Stay tuned for that.